Right. Richard, member in the Inglewood chamber. All issues have flown, expecting, and the global economy changing. I think it's incredibly important that people try, when they're thinking about their own interests, to recognize what is important to other people and to try and accommodate and be tolerant rather than simply be aggressive. Easier said than done.
Instead of intellectual, was is being learned in the school, and that generation to instead of military can be educated.
It is important to do that, but you have to be very clear that the way in the message you want to get is compatible with the traditional communities in which they're addressed. Many want exposure to outside, and there are that. And thirdly, it's going to be expensive, but then military intervention is very expensive. Direction in which to go. It's difficult because many countries in the Middle East do not want cultural intervention from outside.
I think the integration of the Syria.
The Syrian state. I would be sorry if it happened, but it may be that will be the outcome of what's of events that individuals can't really control.